Today, we're going to learn about the vector data structure, more specifically how to use the iterator. Hi, I'm James Helfrich. The vector works a lot like the array, except it has one powerful addition, the iterator. We're going to learn about that today. We'll start by initializing the vector with 6 elements. Then we're going to create an iterator which points to the first element. Now we can access any element that the iterator points to with the dereference operator, otherwise known as the star operator. We can increment the iterator with ++it or it++. We can also, with a vector, skip ahead by a number of elements. In this case, I'm going to skip ahead 3 elements. We can also decrease by 1 element by using the minus operator. Now we have a forward iterator, and we also have a reverse iterator. A reverse iterator starts at the back and moves forward. Now, one really cool aspect about the vector iterator is we can actually find the difference or the distance between 2 iterators. In this case, there are 2 elements between them. Now, the star operator will allow us to not only look at an element, but also change an element. In this case, I'm changing the element to 3. Finally, the most common thing we do with an iterator is we iterate from the beginning all the way to the end. And we call this the iterator standard for loop. The vector has many kinds of iterators, including the standard iterator, the constant iterator, providing just read-only access, the reverse iterator, or the constant reverse iterator. We can also we can access elements using the star operator or for the iterator or the constant iterator, but we can only change elements with the regular iterator. The constant iterator will not allow us to change. The iterator has several increment operators: the prefix and postfix increment, the prefix and postfix decrement, but it also has some really powerful random access iterators. I can add on a given n or subtract a given n. I can find the difference between 2 elements. I could step forward with a given element. I can also have random access up to a given index using an iterator. All these things are possible with the vector iterator. If you'd like to learn more about the vector data structure or any other data structure, take a look at the C++ data structures textbook. The link is available in the description below.